Right, it's just turned 8:50 p.m. Monday. I think it's the 19th of April 2015. Now this is the Celestial Starship. It just changed colour there. It's about a mile and a half to the northwest of where I am. Robert Newton speaking. And it's at a height of between 20 and 25,000 foot. I'm on a tripod, so I'll be getting it good style. This camera's got over 1,000 times zoom on it, and it's got seamless. It's not yet dark. It's probably a rainbow starship as well. It'll change colour shortly. Robert Newton speaking. Location secret for now. I've added it. Oh, it's just beginning to change colour now, so I'll leave it going for a bit. It's a rainbow starship. About 20,000 foot, maybe 25,000 foot. Just changed colour. So edited it that. Robert Newton speaking. Monday. I think it's the 19th of April 2015. Up to 10 to 9 p.m.